Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA Cardano. So ADA did move higher into the orange target area, and by doing that, it's following my primary expectation. Talked about the ideal target area for such a wave 4 here within the green box in the previous videos. And if we draw the fibs again, you can see those levels which are actually expected. So we've got the 37.1, 37.2 cent level here, which is the 38.2% fib level at 37.1 cent. That would be the ideal retracement level for such a wave 4. In a more extreme case, it could even reach the 38.5 cent level. But that would be the maximum a wave 4 should really do. So I would definitely also expect this, even though it would be above the ideal level. So we just need to be flexible here. It's one of these two levels that we're probably going to see. Now that we have broken above that 35.5 cent level, which is the 23.6% fib level. So we're following currently here the basically the forecast. Down here we talked about a more substantial retracement because we were massively oversold on various time frames. Just to go back to the daily chart, you can see that we are still quite far down on the RSI. That generally, supports higher prices because we're far away from any overbought range. Here on the 4-hour chart, we are getting closer to the overbought range, but we're still quite far away. We're only at 54. A bit higher, we're at 55, 56, and however, we saw a bullish divergence here occur earlier end of last week, and that made us say that we could now see and expect a stronger retracement to the upside, which is now happening. This also fits very nicely the Elliott wave count, which supported the idea of a stronger retracement here in a wave 4 in this particular target range. Okay, so as you can see, we are doing that at the moment. We are moving higher. I did say before that a move above that 37.2 cent level would, however, also already support the idea that something more bullish might be going on. Until then, not really, but from that point of view, we need to be a bit more flexible and would be able to entertain the idea that, right, maybe the low of the bear market was already in here. Yeah, the chance is definitely there, and we don't necessarily need to go down lower. If Cardano has done sort of what it needs to do in this correction, it doesn't need technically that additional leg down. It just doesn't need it. It can be counted also from an Elliott wave point of view already as complete. I would just have to make some adjustments. So we need to be ready that this is a possibility, but I wouldn't really count it as high probability until we drop or move above the 37.2 cent level, and then also, and that is I think even more important, until we move above the 38.5 cent level, because that's the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. So going above that would certainly challenge the idea that we still get one more leg down. And if we look at it from a bullish point of view, you can see the green wave count here, and we could say that from the low here, this was a wave 1 in a leading diagonal. We had a wave 2 down, and this is another of the wave 3, basically, wave 1-2 setup. The 1 and the wave 2 of the wave 3, there will be a 4 and a 5. Yeah, so that would suggest the next wave up should be quite bullish, because it would be the third of the third. Or alternatively, in the C wave that you can see here, we could say, okay, we have our A, B, and now we're in the C wave. In the C wave, we've done our wave 1, we've done our wave 2, and here another 1-2 setup, and we're now waiting for the third wave to the upside. That's all possible. Important are those Fibonacci levels. Primary expectation would be higher because we have not yet, we have not really hit a key Fibonacci level. Yeah, so by moving into this area, yeah, we have not really touched the next fib level. So we broke above this fib level, and what you would normally expect is to reach the next one and not turn in the middle of nowhere. So primary expectation is higher. However, already a move below this level at 34.6 would already accelerate, I think, the move down. And we would have to accept that, okay, the high of the C wave was probably already in here at what now is 36.5 cents. And we are heading down lower. Again, a drop below that level here, the swing low at 34.6, would make that quite likely. And it would be further supported if we drop below 34.3 cents, this low here. Generally, I think it would be a rather bullish week after the movements that started yesterday. So again, primary expectation would, however, be a bit higher. But if those levels get broken, then we have to focus on lower and expect that ADA will retest the 33 cent level and maybe even see the 30 cent level. Okay, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.